Hey everybody, Rich here, and in today's episode we're going up to North Fox Island in the northern part of Lake Michigan. We're going to spend 3 days camping up there. We're going to go to Hessel, Michigan for the annual Wooden Boat Show, and then we're going to shoot an approach to minimums into Lone Rock. So tell YouTube you want to see more content like this by clicking like and subscribe, and let's get to it.
North Fox traffic, Orange Mall, 4 miles to the south, inbound landing 07, North Fox. Doesn't look like anybody's here. I guess it is kind of early. I would be surprised if nope, there is somebody here. Just about to say I'd be surprised if I had the place to myself, because it's supposed to be a pretty nice weekend. And as usual, the windsock doesn't tell us a whole lot, except that there's not much wind down there. North Fox traffic, Orange Mall, turning left base, runway 07, and continuing to final, North Fox.
Left pattern 27, talk to 4 traffic.
Well, my touchdown was the smoothest part of that thing. And then the undulations took over.
Hey! You and me. Hey! Let's get together now, you'll see. Just how this life is supposed to be. Hey, come on. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. Come on.
So we went to the antique wooden boat show that my buddy Jeff told me about yesterday. And that turned out to be really cool. There was all kinds of different boats in there. from, you know, probably $30,000 to $350,000 for some of the really premium antique and meticulously restored stuff. Had some lunch there, grabbed a couple beers, and then came back to the island. Here on North Fox, we've got several different trails that go through the woods. So today I'm gonna go over to the beach and just kind of hang out, enjoy the scenery, and read my book for a little while. Man, those mosquitoes were just brutal in there. I was hoping to go for a swim, but I don't think I want to wash off the DEET that I've got on me, because, you know, as many times as I got bitten going through there now, I can't imagine what it would be if I didn't have any on.
Throw that in the back seat.
That looks like a Stratus.
It is. But we're not going to go far. We're just going to do a couple laps around the island, so
Ready?
the odds of us getting lost are hopefully quite remote.
Yes. Yeah, I watched you take off today when I came around and was going downwind. I told my wife, I said, yeah, he's off the ground at about the time I'm just starting to get in ground effect.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the power to weight ratio on this is pretty good. Although right now we got 2 adults and pretty full fuel load.
Oh, you do? Did you fill up while you were gone?
Yep, filled up over in Hessel.
Oh, okay.
Then I can go direct from here to the farm without having to stop.
Oh, okay, yeah. So you got 73 gallons.
Oh no, 43.
Oh, 43, okay.
Yep. Okay, I think we're ready.
All right.
Final thoughts?
So you get her off that tail real quick, don't you?
Yep. Yeah, that's just unnecessary friction.
Yep.
There we go.
Boy, what a nice view.
Oh, I didn't notice that beach was still there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That's really close, isn't it? Where's the runway? Oh, it's not as close as I thought.
No, you'd have a hard time getting there.
Yeah, yeah, because it's through the bush.
Yep. After by the time you got down there, after walking through those woods, your arms would be raw meat.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you know, really, as you look here, look, there's a beautiful beach there,
Oh,
too.
yeah.
That looks like it's all sand. There's supposed to be some wrecks around here that you can see from the air.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I've never been told that.
There's a couple over by South Fox,
Okay.
and I know approximately where they are, but when I was in my plane and my wife was looking, we couldn't find them.
Yeah.
And there's supposed to be one off the tip of this island here by the sandy shore at the very end.
Okay.
Yeah, this is where we were over here today swimming.
Yep.
And it was really beautiful. The water's perfect temperature. But boy, the flies just ate us up.
I remember a couple years ago, this beach was easily as big as this one.
Yeah. Well, if the further you get down this way, it's all the mussel shells.
Yep.
Here, it's mostly gravel.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really nice gravel here.
Yeah, this is a part of the island I have not gone to.
But if you'll circumnavigate the island on that trail, you can get down to here.
Okay.
There's little trails that offshoot that on this side of the island.
I'm always surprised how far down the beach the old A-frame is.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem like you're walking all that far, but yeah, I mean, there's the antenna.
Yep. There's the trail you can come down. You can come right down this sand dune down here if you walk all the way to the end.
Yeah, I didn't know that trail went that far. Because part of that trail goes off toward Beaver, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and that was the branch that I've taken before.
Yes. You keep going, it'll take you all the way down to this end.
Okay.
But at one time, and there may be a plan still in the big mailbox, this was all going to be developed.
Really?
This whole side over here, they had an entire plat set down here, and there were going to be homes on this whole side. There was going to be a golf course.
Wow. Now, who was they?
I don't know.
Okay.
Some big developer back then. But they did have a copy of the plans in the mailbox, and it may still be there.
Yeah.
Boy, it's thick down there.
Yeah, it is.
Looks like the Amazon.
Yeah, it actually kind of does.
I've never ventured over this way, because when you come this way off the runway, there are no paths. It's just tangle and deadfall.
Yeah, I've never seen one either.
Yeah, but there is a trail from this end of the runway that goes right down to the beach here.
Yeah,
all the way. Have you been down there?
I have. Yeah. Yeah, we were walking down there one day, and we actually found a cache that somebody had left with a tent and a radio and
GPS.
Not a GPS, no.
Ah. Wow.
And it was fairly fresh. I mean, the tent was in good shape. The radio had gotten waterlogged, but it was not in bad shape otherwise. So somebody had plans. There's a bunch of dead trees right here.
Yeah, birch. Go off the tip here out that way a little bit.
Okay.
See if we can't spot that, what they say is a schooner wreck out there somewhere. Supposedly right out here in this shallow water.
Okay.
Yeah, more out towards like the tip, head towards the tip of South Fox over there.
I'm just starting a turn. Tell me when to stop. Oh, South Fox. Okay,
yeah.
I can see that. It's going to be tough with that sun, though.
Yeah,
Let's try it this way. Let's come at it with the sun behind us.
I can see some boulders and some rocks.
Yep.
Like a little shelf that comes out here, and it's all boulder strewn. Yeah, with these patroller door windows, I can see a lot down here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good deal.
It is. So how did you end up deciding on a mall as far as an aircraft that you wanted?
This was the kind of flying that I wanted to do.
Okay.
And it's affordable and a good compromise, and it was not a hard decision to make. Yeah, I don't see anything on my side.
No, I don't see anything over here either. You don't have to go over there, but the other side, the other place where they say there's a couple of wrecks, are on the other side of that tip of South Fox.
Okay. Yeah, I'll check that out on my way out.
So how does she handle on windy, bumpy days when you're up there and you're...
Badly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Got to fight it quite a bit?
It's very lightly wing-loaded. So, yeah, it's kind of a uncomfortable plane in windy, gusty, bumpy, turbulent conditions.
Yeah. That's the way mine is. Smooth. Nice and smooth now.
Yeah. Yeah, it sure is. North Fox Island, Mall 2 Tango Foxtrot, left base, runway 25, North Fox. Watch your leg here real quick. You hear that? No. I think I hear some vodka and lemonade calling me.
So it's a sound I'm not familiar with. It's usually rye.
There you go. I can respect that. I was actually looking for rye when I got the vodka and lemonade, but they didn't have any. North Fox Island, Mall 2 Tango Foxtrot, short final, 25, North Fox. Whoa, that fell out.
I see what you mean. He just dropped right out, didn't it?
Yeah. Kind of out of nowhere, too. Yep. That's unusual. It's not usually that bad at all.
Just because I was with you.
Yeah. Anytime somebody's watching.
Yep.
Well, it's been another great few days out here on North Fox. I mean, the solitude here, the undisturbed nature, the ability to walk around and just kind of hang. It's always a really special place. But now it's time to go back to work. So it's about 6:15 and let's get this party started.
So here we are over in Menominee, and the weather downstream does not look good. It's a lot of IMC, but the real problem is this big thunderstorm that's coming up behind it. So I don't know if we're going to make it all the way. Maybe we'll stop in like Portage or something like that. Maybe even sooner than that, Appleton or Oshkosh. We'll see. I've got an hour 28 left in the trip, so it's just a race. And I'm not sure what's going to happen. Hopefully I can get home before the storm gets through. But if not, I've got the ability to hunker down and just kind of hang out at the FBO at some random airport along the way, and that's what I'll do if I have to. So here's the problem. The problem is the ceilings are not rising in the places that I want to get to. So the problem is that I'm running low on fuel. So I've got plenty to do and approach and all that, but I don't have plenty to go to an alternate. So unfortunately we're going to go ahead and turn around here and head back north to Watoma. And at Watoma they have fuel and I can get a load and look at the weather again on the ground and make a decision as to whether to try to continue. All of the airports that I would like to use are below minimums. And that's been true for an hour and 20 minutes. They haven't risen, so I don't see much reason to hope that they will rise at this point. A lot of them have morning fog, but by now the ceilings have gone up a little bit. Today, I think the problem is that weather system coming in, and with that weather coming in, it's keeping things cool and super moist, and I just don't think it's going to clear until that front comes through. And the problem with that is that now I'm going to be stuck in Watoma for quite a while, because that is a really slowly moving weather system, which was great when I thought that I would be able to get there before the weather. Not so great now that I think I'm going to be delayed. But now, just got a weather update, and Boscobel has risen. So let me look at Boscobel here real quick. Okay, they're up to 500 feet, and the minimums there are 300 feet. Actually, 250 feet, sorry. So that is looking like a real option now. But I'm not going to push it. I'm not going to go in there with minimum fuel and wonder what's going to happen to the rest of the weather. So quick stop here, get a load of fuel, and then we'll be back on our way. And Watoma traffic, Orange Mall, turning final, runway 31, Watoma. Watoma traffic, Orange Mall departing runway 26, Watoma. All right, plenty of fuel and back on our way. And Center Mall, November 222 Tango Foxtrot, about 8 miles north of Baraboo Dells. Instrument request.
November 222 Tango Foxtrot, Chicago, go ahead.
And we'd like to request the RNAV 25 into Boscobel and via the Lone Rock initial.
To Tango Foxtrot, squawk 6573.
6573, 222 Tango Foxtrot.
November 2 Tango Foxtrot, radar contact 3 miles north of the Dells. Altitude indicates 4,000, standby inferior. You want to do this IFR, correct?
Affirmative.
And what's your type aircraft?
Mike 7.
Mall 2 Tango Foxtrot, you cleared to the Boscobel Airport via direct to Lone Rock. Maintain 4,000.
Cleared direct to Boscobel via Lone Rock, maintain 4,000, 222 Tango Foxtrot. Okay, got it set up in the iPad. Got our clearance. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This will also give us the ability to...
513 Delta, contact Madison, approach 135.45, good day. 3545, 513 Delta.
This will also...
176, contact Milwaukee, approach 125.35, good day.
2535, Gaslight 176, thanks for your help.
This will also give us the ability to overfly Lone Rock, which has finally started to lift. It's 400. The minimums there, I think we're 800 though. 700. Let's check the other direction. So what I didn't notice is that the Lone Rock 09 actually does go down to 277 feet. And right now they're reporting 400 feet. So that might be our new plan.
And November 2 Tango Foxtrot, I can't pull up the Boscobel Airport, but Lone Rock showing winds estimated 100 at 4, 5 miles of mist, overcast at 400.
Roger that. We're actually probably going to request Lone Rock here in a couple minutes.
2 Tango Foxtrot, Roger. Do you have a planned approach you would like to do there?
We're still reviewing, but yeah, we're thinking about the RNAV 09.
Okay, thanks.
And Center 222 Tango Foxtrot, yes, we would like to request the RNAV 09 into Lone Rock.
2 Tango Foxtrot, Roger. I'll have vectors for that shortly.
Roger that, 2 Tango Fox. I should be able to get the weather from here.
Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 1424 Zulu. Wind 110 at 04. Visibility 7. Sky condition overcast 400. Temperature 21 Celsius. Dew point 20 Celsius. Altimeter 299er3.
Number 222 Tango Foxtrot, clear direct Seblu for the RNAV runway 9er.
Direct Seblu, RNAV 09 or 222 Tango Foxtrot. Okay.
222 Tango Foxtrot, you have the weather NOTAMs at Lone Rock?
Affirmative, 2 Tango Fox. So I like that ceilings report, 300 to 800. So our minimum is 277. So we should be able to make that work, and it'll probably be better because it does seem to be finally starting to lift a little bit.
Check. Number 222 Tango Foxtrot, can you hear Chicago?
Yeah, 5x5.
Number 222 Tango Foxtrot, you're 9 miles from Seblu. Cross Seblu at or above 3,000. Cleared, RNAV runway 9er approach, Lone Rock Airport.
Clear Seblu at or above 3,000. Clear for the approach 09 into Lone Rock, 222 Tango Foxtrot.
Number 222 Tango Foxtrot, cancel IFR at this frequency with me or Hessel flight service. Radar service is terminated, change to advisory frequency approved.
Okay, we'll cancel on the ground and over to the advisory, 222 Tango Foxtrot today.
And 222 Tango Foxtrot, please don't forget to cancel.
Roger that, 2 Tango Fox. Okay, direct Finco, and then at Finco we're turning to Seve, and we can descend to 2600. Alright, so we're looking for 994 994 MSL. That's when our hunting license expires. Okay, descend to 2,600. Alright, gas is good, undercarriage is welded, mix is good. Mix is good, prop is good. And our vertical guidance is coming in.
Delta 1639, Chicago Center, roger.
And there's our descent. Okay, 1,000 feet. 994. I love it when a plan comes together. Nice. So I was switching back and forth between looking outside and looking inside, but I think we were maybe 50 feet above minimums. So that worked out pretty much perfectly. Okay, so that's it. That's the Fox Island trip. That's the instrument approaches. That's how you scramble in order to get where you need to go. So, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.